Hi, it's me again, Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a really good question. He was watching a video where I was showing how to deselect some items or nodes. So if you take your shape tool and you select all these nodes, and then you hold down the shift key, it will deselect the inside nodes. But he brought up a pretty good question. See, I deleted the inside nodes and it made a polygon or a octagon. If we take the shape tool and select, well, I've already added a node. I'm going to take that one away. And if you select these two nodes, then you can move them, just selecting those two nodes. But if you throw in a curveball and add a node there, you can't select that and deselect that with the shape. Well, you can. And see, you can get that. So it still works in that case. But sometimes, let's select these, hold down the shift key and deselect that one. See, it doesn't work because it's selecting all the ones around the shape except for that one. So to deselect one of these, you can hold down the control button and deselect it. And then that way you can move these two like that. So if you take the shape tool and you hold down the shift key, you can delete that one, but you can't delete that one. Well, you basically can. Let's do all three and then delete that one. See it delete it. It grabs them all. It's going in the direction of the curve. So to delete, trying to make this harder than it is. So to do this, hold down the control button and you can actually do that. Let's select them all. And then you could hold down the control button and pick out individual nodes and deselect them. Anyway, I hope that answers the question and thank you for watching.